Herbal remedies for anxiety and depression are an alternative option to doctor-prescribed medications. People may choose herbal remedies as opposed to prescription medications for a variety of reasons. Some include but are not limited to possible negative side effects that are often associated with prescribed medications, such as fatigue, sexual dysfunction, upset stomach and nightmares to name a few. Others like natural and herbal remedies as they feel it is a safer option to pharmaceuticals. Whatever the case may be, before stopping any prescribed medications or starting a herbal treatment, always seek the advice from a medical professional. Through hours of research, I have compiled the best herbs for anxiety and depression. But before we list them, if you like natural and herbal remedies, subscribe to the channel. Here are 16 herbs and other natural supplements that can help with anxiety. Passion flower. A family of plants with about 550 different species is the passion flower or passiflora. Some studies indicate that in treating restlessness, nervousness, and anxiety, a specific species, P. incarnata, may be successful. Some research shows that the anti-anxiety effects of P. incarnata are similar to those of benzodiazepines, a type of drugs that can be used to relieve anxiety by physicians. Galphemia glauca. A plant species native to Mexico is Galphemia glauca. It has historically been used by individuals as a tranquilizer to relieve anxiety. G. glauca is promising as a treatment for anxiety. However, due to the lack of available natural sources, medical companies have not explored their potential. Valerian. A plant native to Europe and Asia. The root has been used by people for many years to help relieve anxiety, depression and sleep disorders. Valerian root is readily available in the following forms: tea, tincture and tablet. In general, studies show that valerian is usually safe. However, there is no evidence about the long-term usage of people using valerian that are pregnant, nursing and children under 3 years of age. Kava kava. Kava is a shrub native to the Pacific Ocean islands. In the Pacific Islands, kava is a ritual drink used to ease tension and enhance mood in people. Kava kava can be purchased at health food stores and online. Ashwagandha. Among a family of herbs named adaptogens, is ashwagandha. Adaptogens affect systems and hormones in the body that manage the response of a stress in a person. A 2019 study showed that those who used the herb showed that certain anxiety measures had dramatically decreased, and not for others. Ashwagandha may be used by people as a tablet or liquid tincture. Cannabidiol or CBD. The active ingredient in the cannabis plant is cannabidiol. In a study, the scientists concluded that CBD can benefit people with anxiety-related disorders. In order to confirm these findings, however, clinical trials are required. CBD is readily available in liquid vape, liquid extract, pill and creams. Lavender. Chemicals called terpenes include lavender essential oil. A 2017 review article indicates that linalool and linalool acetate, two of these terpenes, may have a relaxing effect on the brain's chemical receptors. The research indicates that a successful short-term therapy for anxiety disorders could be lavender essential oil. Studies of the long-term effects are, however, missing. Ways to incorporate lavender into your life are by adding the oil or flowers to a bath for aromatherapy. You can mix the essential oil into a base of oil for massage. Lavender herbal tea is made from the leaves of the flowering plant which belongs to the mint family. Chamomile. Similar in appearance to a daisy, chamomile is a flowering plant. There are two kinds of medicinal chamomile that can be used by people: Roman chamomile and German chamomile. To help relieve stress and anxiety, one can drink chamomile tea, use an extract cream or tablet. If one is allergic to marigolds, ragweed, daisies, or chrysanthemums, they may also be susceptible to having a reaction to chamomile. Some medicines, including the blood thinner warfarin and the anti-rejection drug cyclosporin, can interact with chamomile. Other supplements that can aid in relieving anxiety symptoms include L-lysine and L-arginine amino acid combination. These amino acids can affect the brain neurotransmitters which are involved in stress and anxiety. Magnesium can contribute to alleviating anxiety by taking it in together with such herbs as kava and St. John's. Essential fatty acids. In females pre-menstruating, pregnant or menopausal, this could relieve stress. High-dose sustained release vitamin C, in response to stress. Females taking this supplement can experience decreased anxiety and a less dramatic rise in blood pressure. 5 herbs and supplements that can help with depression are: ginseng. For thousands of years, Chinese medicine practitioners have used ginseng to help individuals enhance mental clarity and vitality and decrease the effects of stress. Some individuals associate these ginseng properties with possible alternatives to the low energy and lack of enthusiasm that can come with depression. Saffron. Some reports show the use of saffron as a healthy and efficient measure to manage the symptoms of depression. More studies, however, will help to validate the potential advantages of saffron for people with depression. Researchers need to better understand any potential negative impacts as well. SAMe. For S-adenosylmethionine, same as short. It is a synthetic version of a chemical that happens in the body naturally. As a prescription antidepressant, people use the supplement in Europe. However, it has not yet been approved by the FDA for use in the US. 5-HTP. This supplement, also known as 5-hydroxytryptophan, may be useful for controlling and boosting brain serotonin levels. The neurotransmitter that determines the mood of an individual is serotonin. 5-HTP is available in the US as an over-the-counter supplement, but in other countries it can require a prescription. St. John's wort Hypericum perforatum is also known as St. John's wort. For hundreds of years, this plant has been a popular herbal treatment for mental well-being. Individuals must, however, use caution if they want to try it as a possible cure for depression. The effectiveness of antidepressant medication may also interfere with St. John's wort, which indicates that it may increase symptoms or decrease the effectiveness of traditional medicine. Although some people may be benefited by St. John's wort, it does not reliably display beneficial effects. For such purposes, instead of traditional therapy, individuals should not use St. John's wort. Neither should they attempt to treat mild to extreme depression with St. John's wort. For some individuals, herbal and natural supplements can work well. They are not, however, an acceptable substitute for conventional therapy or for people facing a risk of suicide or self-harm. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.